Hi everyone. When we talk about yoga, we usually think of yoga as a flexibility practice or a fitness practice. That's what we do, right? But what if I told you that what important lessons I have learned on the mat, that's how I show up in real life as professional, as leader, or as a person. So there are five important lessons that I've learned that I would like to share with you before we have our class on Sunday. So this is my space. Just introducing to my space. These are my props, and this is how I practice here. I have a quiet place at my home. It's a spiritual journey for me. So first and foremost, the first is self-awareness. You know your limits and your strengths. So when you do yoga, sometimes you can perform certain pose, and sometimes some days it's not possible that you perform that pose. It is a way of your body talking to you. So just understand, being aware of what your body is wanting. And that's how we also lead in real life. How? You acknowledge your blind spots and you lead with authenticity, right? So that's the first lesson. Second, calm under pressure, right? Staying calm, staying grounded. Why? Because when it's a difficult pose, right? So sometimes you have a difficulty in holding that. At that point of time, as a yoga instructor, I usually tell people to breathe deeper or more, right? Why? Because when there is uncertainty, when there is pressure, these are inevitable in each one of us life, right? But how do you respond? Do you respond or react? You need to identify that and take a pause, breathe, and then respond. That's what I have learned here. The third is resilience, progress over perfection. Why? If you've heard, we usually say that yoga practice. We never say yoga performance. Why? We are not performing for anyone. It's our progress that we check day by day. The one of the pose that I remember, crow pose, I was not able to do it for maybe 5-7 years, but now I do it. I hold it for a few seconds, right? So it's never going to be a perfection, and some days even I'm not able to do that as well, right? So it's fine, it's perfectly fine. And that's how you lead in life. We are not solving problems because we are perfect. We are solving problems because we are showing up. We are learning every day, and that's what is important. So resilience is one step at a time. Fourth, empathy and compassion. Empathy towards yourself, compassion towards yourself first, and then to your team. Why? You respect your journey, right? You don't compare with any other. So when we are in a yoga class, we don't see how that other person is performing. Usually we think that how we are doing and if we are holding the pose and where it is impacting us most. And similarly, we also respect each individual's journey in our team so that people feel seen and understood. And at that point, they perform better. And lastly, but not least, if you know that yoga is a connection, the yoga means a union, right? The heart of well-being. Why? So what we think, what we say, what we act is all aligned, right? So we need to know that what we are thinking when we are talking and how we are acting. Thank you. I look forward to meeting you all and practicing yoga with you on Sunday, 21st of June 2026. I'll close this one message that yoga is not for one day. This is a lifelong lesson for leadership, for your real life challenges. So I would request everyone to continue this journey as much as possible. Thank you.